Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Gran Turismo 7. Gran Turismo 7 provides a fantastic two-player split-screen option, perfect for enjoying local racing with a friend or family member. This mode lets two people race head-to-head on a single console, sharing the screen for an immersive experience. You can easily find this feature within the game's main menu once you have completed the initial introductory tutorials, opening up a world of shared racing fun. Setting up a split-screen race is quite straightforward. First, head to the world map and look for the 2P split screen option. It is clearly labeled. Before you begin, ensure that two separate controllers are properly connected to your console, one for each player. Once both controllers are recognized, you can then proceed to choose from a wide array of your favorite cars and select the perfect track to begin your exciting head-to-head competition. Once you are in the split-screen mode, you and your racing partner have many options to customize your experience. You can select from the game's extensive collection of cars and tracks, ensuring every race feels fresh and exciting. Furthermore, you are able to adjust various race settings, such as the number of laps, the time of day, and even the weather conditions. This allows for both friendly competition and valuable practice sessions on diverse circuits. To truly maximize your co-op racing enjoyment, try experimenting with various car classes to discover thrilling and balanced matchups. Challenge each other on a wide range of tracks, from intricate city circuits to exhilarating high-speed ovals, keeping every race dynamic. Remember to communicate with your partner, perhaps strategizing pit stops or discussing racing lines, which can significantly enhance your shared Gran Turismo experience and lead to many memorable moments on the track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.